Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see here, I'm going to be giving you guys a quick and easy passion twist tutorial. So as you can see here, this is the hair that I use, the Water Wave by Freetrees, and I'm using Got2b jam, crochet needles, and rubber bands. And that's all you will need for this style, including the hair. So I parted the hair in little squares and went on and sectioned them off. So next I'm going in with a crochet needle and I'm attaching the hair, and I'm going to pull one piece of hair through. Once the hair is through, I'm going to pull each piece of hair to even them out so they can be the same length. Then I'm going to add another piece of hair, and that's when I'm going to connect it to start off the braid process for the passion twist. And then once I get to a desired length where I know the hair is attached, I'm going to start twisting it out to the end. Alright guys, and that pretty much sums it up as the tutorial. I told y'all quick and easy. So this is how it's looking so far, and this is the finished product, guys. So I think I did pretty good for my first time attempting the passion twist. Please comment below and let me know your take on it and how you think I did, or any other ideas or any other ways you know how to do the passion twist. But thank you guys again for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.